Hello everyone, hearty welcome to the massive open online course on Psychology at Work under the SWAYAM MOOC platform. The course Psychology at Work is proposed for BA Honours Psychology as a generic elective course. Have you ever wondered what is the human psychology necessary for happiness, peace and performance at work? Myself, Dr. Devi Soumyaja, Assistant Professor, School of Management Studies, Cochin University of Science and Technology, Kerala. This MOOC is a 5 credits course and contains 50 modules that has to be completed within a period of 17 weeks. The course includes Introduction to Industrial and Organizational Psychology, Indian Psychology, Contemporary Trends in Industrial and Organizational Psychology, Work Motivation and its Applications, Job Satisfaction, Organizational Commitment, Groups and Teams Performance, Communication and Leadership. Each module includes quiz, assignments and reference materials. This course enables the students who are interested in psychology, management and business studies to understand and apply the various concepts of psychology at work. I invite all of you to explore the insightful world of psychology at work and to have a meaningful learning experience. Thank you.